In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed an Airtable in just 5 minutes. Whether you're looking to share your Airtable with others or want to integrate it into your website, you'll find this guide straightforward and easy to follow. First things first, we need to navigate over to Airtable's website. Open up your web browser and type in airtable.com or simply click the link if you have it. Once the website has loaded, you're greeted by a sleek interface designed to help you build next-gen apps with ease. Now let's proceed to sign in. Look for the sign in button, typically located at the top right corner of the page. Clicking this will prompt you to enter your login details. If you're not yet signed up as a user, you might need to register first, but for most, entering your existing credentials will get you through the door. Welcome back to Airtable. Following your sign in, you'll find yourself on the Airtable homepage. This is your command center where all your projects, known as bases, are organized. It's a good idea to familiarize yourself with the layout here to navigate easily. Speaking of bases, that's our next stop. You need to click on the base that you want to embed. Bases in Airtable are like spreadsheets but more powerful. Selecting your desired base will open up all of the tables and data within. Now that we're inside the base, direct your attention to the right hand side of your screen where you'll find a Share button. Click on it and it will pop up a variety of sharing options, each designed to cater to different user needs. The sharing menu will have multiple options, but for our purposes, focus on Share Publicly. This choice is crucial as it allows your Airtable data to be accessible to anyone with the link, letting you seamlessly share it with others. Once you click on Share Publicly, you'll find an option that says Enable Shared Base Link Read Only. This is important because it ensures that your base is shared without allowing others to modify it. It keeps your data intact while providing others with the access they need. And that's essentially it. Your Airtable is now ready to be embedded. With the shared base link enabled, you can take the link and use it in an iframe or any other embedding structure to showcase it wherever you need, be it a personal website or a company intranet. Thank you for joining us today as we outlined how to embed an Airtable quickly and effectively. By the end of this session, you should feel confident in sharing your Airtable with wider audiences while maintaining security and integrity. Happy embedding!